Going on, Pyros? Jake the Snake Pyro coming at you with another video. Right now I'm gonna shoot Boogie Woogie. I got it hooked up right now to a cheap little firing system, 12Q, like the last video. Boogie Woogie by Legend Fireworks. So we'll see how it performs. Let me get back again. Get back so you guys can see the spreads on this. These are a little bit bigger tubes than the California contraband cake I just shot, but alright, back far enough so you can see the spreads. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, that wasn't too bad at all. That was pretty nice. Boogie Woogie by Legend Fireworks. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.